Children, now we will talk about land resource. But before that, let me tell you that on conservation of resource, there is a book named Small is Beautiful. It was presented by Schumacher and it basically talks of the principle led by Gandhiji on resource conservations. One more book is there, that is Our Common Future. It also tells about resource conservations. And another summit we have read previously that held at Rio de Janeiro. There also certain measures were taken to conserve resource. Now land resource, land is a natural resource of utmost importance. We perform multiple activities on land and in various ways. We know that land supports natural vegetations, wildlife, human life, economic activity, transport, communication system. Land is fixed, but our needs and activity on land are huge, so it should be used in a planned way. Now, total geographical area of India is 3.28 million square kilometer. India's land is under variety of relief features, namely mountain, which covers almost 30% of India's land. This mountain supports perennial river with water. It supports tourism industry and also it supports ecological aspect of life. Plateau, which covers about 27% of India's land, and we know it is a huge reserve of minerals, fossil fuel and forest. Plain, which covers 43% of India's total land, and it is suitable for agriculture and setting of industries, and the rest is island. Land resources are used for forest and this land is determined both by physical factors such as topography, climate, soil type, as well as human factors such as population density, technological capability, and cultural traditions. Now, land utilizations. Land are used in various ways. Number one, it is used as forest. Also, land which are not available for cultivations, either it is barren or wasteland. And these land which are not put on agriculture are mainly used for building roads, factories, setting of industries and big buildings. Other uncultivated lands are used as pasture land or grazing land. Even lands under miscellaneous use like tree cropping groves. Even there are fallow lands. Fallow lands basically reverts to the cultivable land which is left uncultivated for 1 or 2 agricultural year. There are also some current fallow land which left uncultivated for 1 to 5 agricultural years just to retain fertility. Net sown area. Area sown more than once in agriculture year is known as net sown area, and if you add up with this net sown area the fallow land, then it will be known as gross cropped area.